guys, Dan here with Dan's world famous ugly birdhouses once again. And you know about our birdhouses, and you know about our squirrel feeders. We have something else to bring you today. Guys, is your woman or girlfriend or wife telling you that your caulk isn't long enough? Have you tried to perform and you just can't do it? Just not long enough. I can't do it. Well, don't worry, because now coming from me is the Extend Your Caulk 5000. That's right. With the new Extend Your Caulk 5000, you can add 18 inches to your caulk and keep her satisfied. Look at all the good things you can do around the house now with an 18-inch caulk. I can really perform now. This is great. So, to keep her happy for hours and hours and hours and getting all the work done, pick up an Extend Your Caulk 5000. Message me on Facebook. Thank you.